There are three key reasons why we want to regenerate the town. The first one is we know from the consultations leading up to the master plan and beyond that the people of Wokingham really want the town to be regenerated. They want something to be proud of. The second reason is we know that there are a number of retailers who want to come here and do business with the people of Wokingham. The demographics here are fantastic. The problem is that they don't really have places that they can work out of. And then the third reason is we know that over the last 20 years or so there's been a decline. Business has been taken by other towns and cities around Wokingham. So what we need to do is we need to reverse that, and that's why we're doing the town centre regeneration. So what have we been doing since last summer? We've been working hard. The team has been working really hard with preferred developers, making sure that everything is exactly as it needs to be. We've been talking to a number of retailers to make sure that what we're going to provide is what they're looking for, and we've also been working with leading national architects. In fact, let's hear from them right now.
We had a fantastic response to the consultation last year, and it would be very difficult to go into all of the detail, but some of the main themes that came out were the architecture, is it right for the market town that Wokingham is, the traffic, how will the proposals be affected, and landscape, what will the Elms Field be, what will it contain. The proposals contain a mix of uses, but predominantly retail uses. There is a food store which will help anchor the retail proposals and really draw the retail pitch down to the southern end of Denmark Street, which is quite weak at the moment. The proposals also bring forward a whole range of unit sizes so that we can support both nationals and smaller local niche retailers, particularly at the Peach Place development. One of the most significant parts of this redevelopment is the new park, Elms Field. At last year's event, we asked what people would like to see in that new park, and we got a great response. People need to see children's play areas for various age groups, a big open space, possibly to hold events on, but also to be used informally, planting, lots of other ideas. We'll be asking people again at this year's consultation event whether the ideas we now have are what they want to see.
From the last consultation, we really got the feeling from the public that they wanted to make sure that any new designs coming forward really respected the character and the nature of the historic market town of Wokingham and why this place is special. So we've been looking in detail at the small things and the large things, the materials, the proportions, the scale of many of the buildings throughout the town centre of Wokingham to really understand what makes them special and what makes them feel like part of Wokingham. What we've then done from that study is try to interpret those into new buildings, but on the basis that they will still feel like they should be in Wokingham. There's a lot of different types of people in Wokingham who need places to live. So our proposals are looking to provide a range of building types and home types. So there's apartments, 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom apartments, 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom houses, ranging through to large 4-bed terrace townhouses with roof terraces and winter garden spaces that really capitalise on the fantastic landscape park that's going to be at the centre of this development.
So our next steps are to start submitting planning applications this summer. We need to do that with full public consultation, so we really need everybody to give us their views as to the planning applications that we're putting in so that we can really make this a town that everyone can be proud of.